We're on the train, right? We're on the train, right? Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. And it's early morning, day after Thanksgiving. Check out my playlist, lots of videos, please. Please check out my lives, different videos, conversations, topics. If you want more videos, subscribe, join the family on my channel, and I will see you in the next video. But I am on the train. It's really nice here and comfortable, and then, yeah, that, and then the train. It's kind of empty now, but it's really nice here. And then you got the compartments up here, and then the compartments over there, and then the train's over there. So it's a nice little ride. It's relaxing and stuff. I got my teddy bear, Pooh Bear, with me. And I got my luggage over here above my head. So, unfortunately, I gotta take 2 buses to go home, but it's whatever. It's better than taking the stupid Trailways bus. There's a boat. On my way back to see Daddy. So yeah, everyone check out my playlist and my lives. Please check out my playlist, different topics and conversations on my playlist. And people who are rude and mean on my lives will be blocked and deleted or reported. So that is just a future warning to people who want to be a wise ass and want to be rude to me. Then don't watch my channel and stop asking stupid questions about what is abdl or ddlg. You're on my channel, you obviously know about it, you're just trying to get an arousal out of me or mock me or be disrespectful. And on top of it, yeah, like, you can Google it nowadays, so stop pretending to not know something. And you're obviously subscribed to my channel, and if you type in abdl on YouTube, there's a bunch of us on there that live the lifestyle. And I will repeat myself again, it has nothing to do with minors, it has nothing to do with sex, and it has nothing to do with children are underage. It is an 18+ community, roleplay, acting, dressing, and living the lifestyle, or just regressing to our natural younger baby self. And it has nothing to do with children, so stop using it as a clutch. It has nothing to do with pedophilia or nothing. It is an 18+ community lifestyle. To join Fat Life, to join CapCon, to join TeddyCon, 18+. So, just making that clear. I should have took the sandwich. I'm hungry. It's alright. I would never want to live in these buildings. Like, no way. No thank you. I like the country. It's way better. I even think this train might be an express for like 2 or 3 stops more. I don't know, but it's a nice view. I love it. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. If so, thumbs it up. The view is gorgeous. It's early morning and I love it. I like taking morning trains. I'm a morning girl. I'd rather get there early in the morning, personally. So, it's better. It's really nice, peaceful, and fun, and old-fashioned. And I just love trains. And it's really nice. I love trains. They're so cool. Kind of reminds me of Thomas and Friends. Do 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 do. Chugga chugga. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Chugga chugga, da 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 da. I love the water. It's so beautiful. Other stops, more stops. Boats, boats, boats. Talking boats. Lighthouse. I think there's more modern people in the world than people like us that are ABDL. That's funny. More open, beautiful water. I'd have like another hour before I get to my destination, which is fine. I think it's like an hour and 15 to 20 minutes. Duckies! They're all going bye-bye. I like stuff like this. It's so beautiful. I love trains. Beats taking the bus. Now I have this experience, which is fun. Debbie Ferry. Debbie's Ferry? Debbie's Ferry. DOBBS. I don't know what that means. Debbie's Ferry. Weird name. I know everyone doesn't like posting, but like I'm gonna post this as an ABDL adventure because it is. I'm still an adult baby girl. I'm just on a train ride to going home and going to daddy's. So it is part of the ABDL lifestyle. This is what I do. Like I know because I'm not wearing a diaper nappy or bottles or passies or I don't know, showing it off on video or I even got my Pooh Bear with me. So I'm still in baby space mode and little space mode. I'm just on the twain on an adventure. If you like this, please thumbs it up, subscribe, join my family. And there's other YouTubers you can watch besides myself that are very inspiring too. Is like Mindlessly Diapered, Blonde Boy, Baby Blair, Max, Childhood Max, he's good. Diaper Girl Gossip is another one, Blonde Boy. There's a lot of YouTubers that are ABDLs. I just wish we could all come together as one and be fun and friends and family and strawberry and shortcake and bricks and lovers and polka dots and candy canes, you know? Here's another train coming. Toot toot. Chicka 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 toot toot. That's a train. Fast train. Whoa. In the water. And a nice view. I like the view. It's so pretty. See how pretty it is, everyone? And the bridge. And homes and houses. Happy, happy twain. I like twains. There's a lighthouse. Hey, there's a lighthouse over there. See the bridge, it's so much fun. Beep beep beep, boop boop boop, ba ba da ba ba ba.
Terrytown station, Terrytown, what you got?
The train, the train, the train, 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 train. Here I got the train people. The train. Hope you guys are enjoying this video as much as I am. Get to experience the train ride with us. To the beautiful water, if you want. Zoomed in more. It's a beautiful ride, it really is. It's gorgeous. Alright, every baby, I'm gonna go. I love you, and I will talk to you guys later in the next video. So, bye.